What's the meaning of broadsword? Broadsword. Broadsword.
Broadsword. Broadsword. A broadsword is a type of sword that typically has a wide blade and is used for cutting and thrusting. It was commonly used in Europe during the medieval period, particularly by knights and other armored soldiers. The blade is usually around 3 feet long and can weigh between 2 and 4 pounds. The broadsword's design allows it to be versatile in combat, suitable for both offense and defense. It also gained popularity as a ceremonial weapon and as a symbol of authority. Today, the broadsword is often used in historical reenactments and stage combat performances.